literally nothing worked this weekend. If something works,
The pit lane is something that I definitely didn't expect jumping into the car.
Brazil GP drama. Verstappen's glory, Tsunoda's nightmare. He started from the pit lane. He wrestled through the field. He did what felt impossible. Meanwhile, another driver in the same garage lost every piece of momentum and ended the weekend in despair. This is a tale of Max Verstappen's comeback and Yuki Tsunoda's collapse in Brazil. Sunday at Interlagos will be remembered as one of the most polarized weekends of the 2025 season. On one side, Max Verstappen, the four-time world champion, who began from the pits after a major change to his car, picked up a puncture, yet still clawed his way to the podium. He admitted afterwards, "I did not expect that at all." On the other side, Yuki Tsunoda, starting strong maybe, but ending one of the worst weekends of his career. Qualifying for Verstappen was disastrous. He lined up mid-pack, and then the team made the bold call. Start from the pit lane with a fresh parts and radical setup shift. With the higher stakes gamble in play, he emerged like a gladiator from the depths. Then, after a puncture early on forced him into an extra stop and forced regroup under pressure, he began his climb. As one report put it, after his worst qualifying performance, Verstappen qualified P16 and later chose to start from the pits, still finished third. When he took the checker flag in third, he paid tribute. The race was quite full on, a lot of action. To finish only 10 seconds from the lead is incredible. Given his starting position, the odds stacked against him, it was a masterclass in damage limitation, but also a signal that when the car works, Verstappen still roars. Tsunoda's weekend followed a different script entirely. From the very start, he was off kilter. Grip problems, pace nowhere to be found. He crashed in early practice, failed to advance in qualifying, and then in the Grand Prix, he committed a collision with Lance Stroll, earning a 10-second penalty and 2 further penalty points. After the penalty mishap, he crossed the line in P17 and conceded nothing worked. Literally, nothing worked this weekend. In a garage where the world champion inside seat is under constant spotlight, Tsunoda could not find his window. While Verstappen was turning adversary into opportunity, Tsunoda was sinking into confusion and frustration. What sets these two drivers apart isn't just performance, it's mindset and reaction to pressure. Verstappen entered the weekend battered, but used the team's radical changes and recovery to trigger a fight back. Tsunoda, meanwhile, was thrown off balance in every turn and couldn't steady the ship. For Red Bull, it underlines a critical insight. When the star driver flips the adversary switch, the car becomes an unstoppable weapon. When the other driver crumbles, the team's headroom shrinks. For Verstappen, the podium keeps his title hopes alive, but he and the team know they can't lean solely on comebacks. Every weekend will demand more. For Tsunoda, the weekend might serve as a red flag moment. If this collapse is repeated again when stakes are rising, the narrative of his seat will shift dangerously. But now we want to know what you think. Will Verstappen challenge back the top? And can Tsunoda survive the slump? Let us know what you think in comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications for more breaking news and updates right here on the F1 Racing Newsroom.